Hello, welcome back to my channel again. Now, today I gonna make a painting on this canvas, and this is 10 by 10 inches in square shape, scholar brands, and just I'm opening new, and I will do same in some more videos. So stay tuned. So I'm gonna make painting with acrylic, and this will be abstract, totally abstract painting. Also, it will have some textures. So for the first layer, I am taking these colors, uh, lemon yellow, ochre yellow, and a little orange, and then I will mix with the water. And I'm requesting you all, please subscribe my channel to stay connected and to learn and to watch this kind of painting. This is a characterism abstract style, and characterism style basically invented by me. I am Ram Barkhane from India, and you can visit my website www.rambarkhanearts.com, where you can watch all the luxurious paintings and some more creative paintings that I will upload in future also. Now this is the mixture, and that I am doing, see I'm doing with the left hand. Okay, so I'm righty, but sometimes I use both the hands together and opposite, and also at the same time. And I'm gonna make it brighty feel, but with a muddy uh, patches, textures. So I'm not clear about it, that which type of feel it will be, but I'm using like analogous color scheme, and a little bit it may be darker and muddy somewhere, as you see. Okay, and sometimes nowadays I do covering around the edges of like this, on this space, all the four sides. And let me tell you one more thing. I am nowadays very comfortable with acrylic painting. Okay, acrylic paints, these acrylic colors are so good, and I can do all the my works like textures and layering, everything. On the next day, this painting was totally dried, and I used chrome yellow over lemon yellow, because as you know, in this technique I need darker tone over a light tone. And today I am using this painting knife. This is not a painting knife, this is my general kitchen knife that is used to cut vegetables and all. And because I forgot my all the tools somewhere, so I got this opportunity to use this knife in abstract painting with texture making. So texture making is very easy with any sharp object, but this is more comfortable, I think, more than the painting knife. And I'm sure this painting will be more lovable than other paintings. Now I'm gonna make a mixture of colors, like ochre yellow and sap green. So sap green plus a little bit ochre yellow, and a little black, that is beside that layer on the palette. So I'm just mixing them, and I'm now painting over a very little and thin layer around these textures, and then I will mix them with the help of a cloth, as you see. The mixture of green and a little black color, um, it will be a darker tone over a ochre yellow. So the texture will glow after scratching with a knife. So I'm ready now to paint it. And as you know, there is a very little time, because little time to make textures on these layers, because acrylic paints dries very fast. In all the abstract paintings where I use acrylic colors, uh, I need to more focused and more energetic, because the rhythm of an artist also be appear, and it reflects the energy of an artist also. So I have to be energetic. Anytime or any painting I do, with positivity and good artistic sense. If you are an artist or beginner, and if you are diverted somewhere, so it doesn't mean that you can't paint. You must paint, because while you paint, you lose, and you empty your all the emotions, or good thing or bad thing, over these all, and it will not affect badly on or goodly badly on the viewers of that painting. So it doesn't matter, it's a way to release your all pain, all the emotions, and everything that in your mind. So that is my thought behind all the artworks, and as an artist, just an session. Okay, so I'm just texturing, making textures again, and you know there is a very little time to make these textures. Firstly, I'm scratching around the very thin layer that is mixed with the cotton to the previous layer, and after that I will do in the middle of that color. And now the same pattern I'm doing around these all the colors. uh, I'm making more darker colors by mixing green and brown to the previous color. I want to tell you one more and interesting thing. Um, Artists do the practices and so many experiments, and during the experiment process in the paintings, we found some unique techniques or some more ideas. So during this painting, I got an idea, and I will apply in the next videos, next paintings. And you can see one the previous short video on this channel. It have some the same idea that I am talking about. So the idea is, uh, sometimes I should not make the textures over all the painting part, all the canvas. I think I should texture some specific portions. So the this idea is very good for me, that I'm thinking. What do you think? Please comment and suggest me. And in my previous videos, I also told you, you can suggest the color ideas or anything that you want to be that you want to see in this type of art, so I can paint for you. You just need to comment your specific idea or desired idea. I can also make portraits in the same technique, and I can also all the realistic and non-realistic and non-figurative abstracts. So you can discuss with me in the comment section, or on my Instagram page, Ram Barkhane Arts. The name is same at every platform of me. So finally, this artwork, this abstract painting is completely finished now, and I hope you may like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel if you did not uh, come subscribe, so I can grow up in the on the YouTube channel. And please stay tuned with me, and share to your friends and art lovers.